Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project L&T Ibarra Heights by L&T Realty located in Pokhran Road, Thane. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, internal and external amenities, carpet area, master plan, floor plan analysis, maintenance, parking, possession, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 12.20 acres that will have total of 5 towers, currently launching 3 towers. As you can see in the model, it will have 2 basement, ground, 5 podium plus 56 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. And also here you can see these are the 2 towers of 4 BHK. Previously we showed you 3 towers of 2 and 3 BHK. The thing special about these towers are that these are luxury towers with 4 BHK residences. Also penthouse are available. Again, these towers also rise to 2 basement, ground, 5 podium plus 56 floors. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Viviana Mall, Majivara Junction, Pokhran Road, Thane. From where Viviana Mall is at a distance of 650 meters, Majivara Circle is at a distance of 1.7 kilometers and Thane Station is at a distance of 2.8 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting vitrified tiles, Italian marble flooring, granite kitchen platform, stainless steel sink, CCTV and many more. And talking about the external amenities, this project has 55 plus luxurious amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have a swimming pool, gym, indoor game, kids play area, jogging track, clubhouse, tennis court, basketball court and many more amenities within the project. Also, the project lives on the concept that you name it and they have it in terms of amenities. And now, let's have a look at the master plan. As you can see in the image, this is the master plan of L&T Ibarra Heights. Here you can see these are the 5 towers with 2 BHK of 750 to 850 square feet, 3 BHK of 1057 to 1214 square feet and 4 BHK of 1930 to 2235 square feet. And now, let's have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the floor plan of Tower 1, which will have 8 flats, 7 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. This is the floor plan of Tower 2, where each floor will have 6 flats, 7 lifts and 2 staircases. And this is the floor plan of Tower 4, having 2 flats, 4 lifts and 2 staircases on each floor. And now, let's have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 2 BHK of 850 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1214 square feet and this is the unit plan of 4 BHK of 2235 square feet. And now let's talk about the maintenance. The maintenance of the project varies with configuration, with 2 BHK maintenance ranging between 7,500 to 8,500 per month, 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 10,500 to 12,200 per month and 4 BHK maintenance ranging between 19,300 to 22,400 per month. Talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level of car parking facilities. And now, talking about the possession part, the project has RERA possession date for August 2030, but the target possession is for June 2029. And talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project L&T Evara Heights by L&T Realty located at Pokhran Road, Thane.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.